Apprehensions turned true. Chhattisgarh's Karama barrage made Hirakud water reservoir distressed in October. Odisha's apprehension of water scarcity has turned true over Chhattisgarh government's Karama barrage on Mahanadi. River Mahanadi, the lifeline of culturally affluent state of Odisha, unlike the neighboring eastern region states, Odisha is also primarily agrarian state where more than 75% of agricultural land is dependent upon Mahanadi water and its tributary water bodies. But the upper riparian state, Chhattisgarh's Karama barrage water blockade in post-monsoon season has again ignited the decade-long water row between the two states. Author and ex-president of America had once told it very correct that I want to make it clear if there is ever a conflict between environmental quality and economic growth, I will go for beauty, clean air, water and landscape. Not only big political leaders or philosophers, legends from art, literature and culture like Michael Franti has also opined, if we don't change our negative habits towards climate change, we can count on worldwide disruptions in food production, resulting in mass migration, refugee crisis, and increased conflict over scarce natural resources like water and farmland. A week before monsoons bid adieu to Odisha and end of October, Hirakud reservoir is in want of sufficient water now. This crisis has risen as Chhattisgarh government has closed 60 out of 66 gates of Karama barrage, which severely affects the water level of Hirakud reservoir in October. Mahanadi water row has started with Chhattisgarh government's construction of Karama and other barrages across the river and its tributaries, which seriously affected water inflow into Hirakud reservoir in the non-monsoon seasons. According to a statistic, only once in last 11 years, that's in the year 2018, water level of Hirakud reservoir touches the peak 630 feet. But within a couple of days, this level drastically goes down. This year, during 3rd to 10th September, just for 5 days only, water level in Hirakud touched 630 feet. In 2012, it was for 17 days, 9 days in 2014, 7 days in 2015, 31 days 2016 and in 2017 it stayed for long 23 days. But this year, the untimely and irregular monsoon Odisha has got lesser rainwater reserve. Karama barrage water management has worsened the water scarcity issue like never before. Currently, Hirakud is getting only 5.700 cubic water per day through the 6 gates open in Karama barrage. This water scarcity situation is widely affecting irrigation, energy production and water disbursement to industry. This decade-long Mahanadi water row has still remained unresolved in the Supreme Court, Mahanadi River Dispute Tribunal under the National Green Tribunal. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has launched Save Mahanadi campaign against the Chhattisgarh government in 2018. During the last low-pressure triggered flood situation in Odisha, almost all gates were open of Karama barrage, but suddenly the change of decisions by Chhattisgarh government in needy seasons is worsening interstate peace and harmony as well as well-being of general public. Bureau Report, Bhubaneswar.